Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to register to online banking of QIB bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Qatar Islamic Bank. Now once you do that, here you'll be seeing the Qatar Islamic Bank mobile app. Simply tap on it and download it. And now once you download it, the next thing is to tap on open or open the app. And now once you open the app, you'll be seeing something like this on your home screen, right? Now in order to register to online banking of QIB bank, what you need to do is select the option that says register right here, and once you tap on it here, you'll be given the option to enter your debit or ATM card details. Now enter your debit card number right here, and once you have done with that, enter in the debit card pin right here, and then enter in the expiry date right here. Now once all that's done, all you gotta do is tap on next, and once you tap on next, the next thing is to follow the on-screen instructions that is given to you, and then once that's done, you'll be successfully registered to online banking of QIB bank. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.